Is your Windows 11 taskbar not responding or completely frozen? In this video, I'll show you one simple method that usually fixes it in just a few seconds. The taskbar freezes when Windows Explorer stops working. Windows Explorer is the part of Windows that controls the taskbar, the start menu, and the desktop. So instead of restarting your whole computer, we can just restart Windows Explorer. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. This will open Task Manager. When Task Manager opens, make sure you are on the Processes tab. Scroll down slowly until you see Windows Explorer in the list. Click Windows Explorer one time to select it. Click Restart Task at the top right to reload Windows Explorer. Your screen may go black for a second. The taskbar and desktop will reload. This is normal and does not mean anything is wrong. What happens next after Windows Explorer restarts? Your taskbar should start working again. You should be able to click Apps, open the Start menu, and use the system tray normally. If it still doesn't work, if the taskbar is still frozen, here are a few simple things you can try next. A normal restart clears many temporary issues.
Or check for Windows updates.
Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for Updates.
You can also scan your system for corrupted files.
Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type sfc/scan now. This will check your system files and repair problems automatically. To sum it up, restarting Windows Explorer is the fastest and easiest way to fix a frozen taskbar. For most people, this solves the issue right away. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more simple Windows 11 fixes. Thanks for watching.